Right, I don't know whether you can see this. Look at that. I reversed into a tree. So we're going to just now take this off. Two screws there. God, look at that. That's a diddy screw, isn't it? Bloody hell. Oh, should just come off. Hoping. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is going to be a bit hard now. I'm going to have to put this camera down. Right, be back in a bit. Right, so I've taken the old light off. Don't know if you can see that. And I'll put this over the top. A bit big actually. I might cut them in half. This is so hard doing this one-handed. Do it. Pull it off. There we go. Shove that on there. You can see. Both red, don't matter. Oh, I wonder if I can. Right, I have to do this in stages, I think, so you can see. Just hold it up. Yeah, so what I've done, just got some pliers. I've just put the cables together, and then I'm going to put a heat shrink over the top. It's not going to get wet because it's inside the van, so we'll go from there. Right, I've done the connections. I'll put heat shrink around them. Now I'm just going to screw it in. And I'll put a little bit of glue on it as well. That's it. A little bit not flat. Not sure the cable's getting the hole. That's it. Do nicely. Good job, Lee. Right, wait there, and when I put it on, see if it works. Oh, look at that. So all these lights they're height lights, but because they're on, I could take them off, but obviously it looks a bit better. I'm going to have to go a little bit of paint now, just go over it, but that's what they are. I don't know whether you can see them. £2.88 off of eBay. I mean, how do they make them for that? Ridiculous. Right, I'm going to stop the video and get the other one on now. So, all finished, both lights, and then what I've done is I've painted it as well, just random, so it all matches. So I've got the old bulbs where I smashed them up, I put these little cheap LED ones on. Let's just see how long they last. Oh well, there we go, cheers.